What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is the day after green race. We're at Tallulah. It should be the high water release, which it's been 4 years, so I don't even know what that means, but we're here. We got the Nova and gonna do some slicing. I've always told people the faster you go down the stairs, the shorter it hurts. Thought I would sub out there. What on earth? Just out taking a minute to soak it all in, and I don't know how I could ever be this lucky, but I am 500 feet, flipped out deep in a gorge, alone, fall colors, with this glorious play hole and that glorious slide all to myself. Best eat now is for a snack. Gotta get that burrito in. And well, they're gone, so back to my solo lap. Tough ride, get the cartwheels in, so sweet. guys, that's gonna wrap up this Tallulah lap. Like I said, it's been the first one in about 4 years, which is absolutely sweet. Kind of forgot the whole dense boat theory thing and ended up checking the thing pretty hard in Oceana, but needless to say, made it down all right, and either way, stoked to have another day on the river. Catch you next time, guys. Peace.